A character can be any letter, digit, or symbol that makes up words and languages, such as this right here. So other examples of characters include the Latin letter, for example, this one, or the Chinese ideograph, such as this one, or the Devanagari characters, such as this one. So a character set is a collection of characters, of letters and symbols in a writing system. So each character is assigned a particular number called a code point. So these code points are stored in computer memory in the form of bytes. So in technical terms, we say the character is encoded using one or more bytes. So basically, all the characters are stored in computer language, and a character encoding is going to help us decode this computer language into something we can understand. So in technical terms, it is what is used as a reference to map code points into bytes to store in computer memory. Then when you use a character in your HTML, the bytes are read back into code points using the character encoding as a reference. So examples of character encodings include the ASCII. So it contains letters, characters, and a limited set of symbols and punctuation for the English language. And Windows 1252 Latin 1, it is a Windows character set that supports 256 different code points. The ISO 8859-6, it contains letters and symbols based on the Arabic script and the Unicode. So it contains characters for most living languages and scripts in the world. So when you code in HTML, you must specify the encoding you wish your page to use. So providing no encoding or the wrong one is pretty much like providing the wrong dictionary to the code. So it displays your text correctly or cause your data to not be read correctly by a search engine. So character encoding declaration in your HTML is also important to process unfamiliar characters entered in forms by users. So you should always use the Unicode character encoding, UTF-8 for your web pages. And avoid legacy encoding such as ASCII, Windows 1252, and ISO 88596 mentioned here. And do not use the UTF-16 Unicode encoding either. So it is important to note that it is not enough to simply declare your encoding at the top of the web page. You have to ensure that your editor saves the file in UTF-8 also. So most editors will do that these days, but you should check.